NASA's James Webb Space Telescope has just opened its eyes and the world is brand new. The James Webb Telescope has just discovered an object deep in space that is sending shivers down the spines of scientists. Hidden in the vast expanse of the universe, this elusive treasure defies all expectations and raises more questions than answers. What does this shocking discovery reveal about the world's darkest secrets? Is this a sign of the state of the world or a sign of something much worse? Join us as we unravel the terrifying object captured by the James Webb Telescope. An intruder, on October 19, 2017, a mysterious object named Oumuamua was discovered blowing up in the solar system. The object traveled through space for more than a century before we knew it existed, although in 1837 it passed an important cosmic signal that astronomers could not see. Oumuamua has been traveling through our solar system for years, but despite its speed, astronomers and telescopes did not detect it until 2017. That year, researchers at the Center University of Hawaii Robert Verick did something different. He saw a faint long line in the sky, captured by the Pan-STARRS 1 telescope. It turned out to be a fast-moving object unlike anything scientists had seen before. At first, scientists thought Oumuamua might be a comet due to its unusual behavior, but upon further inspection, they discovered an asteroid, a small rocky body found in the asteroid belt between Mars and Jupiter. From the Sun, however, scientists are confused. Comets have no signs of gas loss and are fast-moving. This has led to some debate as to whether it is an asteroid or a comet. One of the wonders of Oumuamua is that it brightens and dims every 7.3 hours. This model indicated that it rotates on its shorter axis. According to the velocity, Oumuamua is solid, longer and longer than most comets, brittle and broken. Its dark red color, similar to some moons on the outer side of the Sun, indicates that it has been exposed to cosmic rays for millions of years, and that its surface has changed over time. As scholars examine the facts, the question of what the Ancient One begins to question. Others thought it was a high-tech probe from another planet or an old spaceship. Others focused on simpler ideas, such as a new type of comet or asteroid. More advanced theorists have suggested that Oumuamua was a fragment of a distant planet ejected from another star system during a cataclysm. Despite these various theories, no one has yet agreed on what Oumuamua really is. It's hard to tell where it's going because it's flying away from the Sun at a sharp angle, leaving the solar system. According to current predictions, Oumuamua will return to the great interstellar space, where it will continue its solo journey across the universe. *** alien probe or cosmic oddity. *** The discovery of Oumuamua caused a wave of excitement and debate among astronomers, scientists, and the general public. This mysterious space object was the first of its kind to be discovered and quickly attracted attention. Its strange appearance and behavior have given rise to many theories as to where it came from and why. Is Oumuamua another asteroid or comet, or an alien probe to explore our solar system? When Oumuamua was first discovered, scientists thought it was just an asteroid made of rock, but it turned out to be much different, about 800 meters long and only 80 meters wide, unlike asteroids and comets that can reach our Sun. As the system received more information, opinions about Oumuamua began to change. Some scientists believe that the object is filled with gas, which explains its sudden speed as it moves away from the Sun. Then a surprising thought arose. What if Oumuamua was not a natural object, but a spaceship from another world? Oumuamua's unusual characteristics, particularly its unusual speed that does not appear to be due to superpowers, fueled this theory. Normally, comets move faster as they get closer to the Sun and expel gas and dust. However, no such shipment from Oumuamua has been found, leading some scientists to speculate that the probe may have been sent by a foreign tribe to study the land. Although this idea may sound like science fiction, it is an exciting topic for those who believe that life from Earth is possible. Renowned theoretical physicist Dr. Michio Kaku suggested that Oumuamua may have been ejected from a distant star during a supernova explosion. At the time, the billionaire businessman Elon Musk said that it might have been caused by the collision and fusion of two celestial bodies, because of its unique shape. At first, astronomers were excited to learn that Oumuamua's orbit was toward Vega, a star in the Lyra constellation known for its remnant basket. It is estimated that Oumuamua could have traveled from Vega for 600,000 years to reach its current position. However, This theory was quickly dispelled when it was discovered that Oumuamua's orbit had changed during its journey. Astronomers believe that Oumuamua traveled to another star system before entering the solar system. At a speed similar to that of nearby stars, Oumuamua was able to travel through the Milky Way for billions of years before arriving here. One intriguing theory suggests that Oumuamua may have been a piece of nitrogen ice. Researchers Alan Jackson and Stephen Dash of Arizona State University believe that the remnants of a Pluto-like object may have been thrown into space by the massive impact. For this idea to be true, Oumuamua must be smaller than we first thought. However, the nitrogenous theory is gaining traction as it helps to explain Oumuamua's unusual arrangement and rate of evolution. The enigma of Oumuamua's acceleration. When Oumuamua first appeared, it was quickly discovered that it was on a hyperbolic trajectory, a kind of boomerang. This orbit showed that this object is not in our solar system. He just wanted to leave and continue on his way, never to return. Many thoughts enter the void of space and disappear from view forever. But Oumuamua surprised everyone. When it reached the sun, its speed suddenly increased. Of course, the forces of the stars and planets accelerate comets and asteroids, but the acceleration of Oumuamua was far beyond what these forces alone could explain. The speed is 54 meters per second or 87 kilometers per second, 3 times faster than most comets. This unusual speed has caused scientists to rethink their initial hypothesis that Oumuamua is an asteroid. They began to investigate whether it was a comet. Comets usually ascend when the ice on the surface mixes with the atmosphere near the sun, causing thrust and the formation of visible tails. However, Oumuamua does not have a tail or sign of releasing this gas. This mystery prompted researchers to explore other possible explanations. Jennifer Brenner from the University of California, Berkeley, and Daryl Seligman from Cornell University presented a new theory. They said that Oumuamua's unusual shape is caused by winds driven by cosmic rays from outside our solar system. As Oumuamua traveled through space, the hydrogen trapped on the surface of the ice was released as it heated up near the sun. This hydrogen may have been released with the potential to explain its unusual speed. Their theory, supported by research showing that atmospheric radiation can break hydrogen from ice, provides new insight into Oumuamua's mysterious navigation. Alien Research Search The Alien Research Search began on March 9, 2017, about 6 months before Oumuamua's closest flyby. A small interstellar meteor, IM-2, entered Earth's atmosphere. The discovery was made using data from the Fireball catalog from NASA's Center for Near-Earth Object Studies, which tracks meteors that fall to Earth. It was found at an altitude of 23 kilometers above the Atlantic Ocean near Portugal. This meteorite, about 3 feet in size, was thrown into space at an incredible speed of 40 kilometers per second. Scientists also compared the intensity of IM-1, which was detected by U.S. Department of Defense sensors during a flare in Papua New Guinea in 2014, with IM-2 and other CNEOS objects. Although IM-1 and IM-2 have not been directly linked to ancestors, Harvard researcher Avi Loeb found them intriguing. Loeb said an interstellar object would act as a mother ship, sending smaller probes as they pass closer to Earth. Loeb and Sean Kirkpatrick, director of the Pentagon's All-Domain Anomaly Resolution Office, AARO, explored the idea in their first study. They thought these small probes would be pushed away from a larger spacecraft by natural forces such as sunlight or gravity. Because of their small size and limited reflection from the sun, these dandelion seed probes, as Loeb calls them, are difficult to see with our telescopes. These small probes can approach Earth using advanced technology to slow their descent, possibly landing with parachute-like devices. Loeb's theories revolve around how extraterrestrials might be interested in studying rocky and windy planets like Earth, Mars, and Venus. He said that these nations can launch investigative research long before humans do. If this is the case, these studies may not stick to the parentage and be lost, or abandoned in their original purpose. In addition to Oumuamua, researchers also found interstellar meteor fragments scattered across the Pacific similar to IM-2. The analysis of these fragments raised some questions about their origin. With these interstellar objects popping up everywhere, scientists are now even more excited. The idea that ancient civilizations could send probes to explore other worlds is exciting for future space exploration. Oumuamua's legacy. In 2021, scientists made an amazing announcement. They thought that Oumuamua might not be the only one. A second interstellar object has been discovered near our solar system, and scientists are starting to crunch the data. The latest, named 2I/Borisov, is a comet similar to Prototype. However, unlike Oumuamua, Borisov is more normal, showing the classic comet shape complete with tail and airflow. This discovery again sparked excitement and controversy.